Here we have our M388VL Lunch Tote. Your monogram will go here, centered on the front pocket. Slide the open pocket onto a 6.5 by 5-inch slimline clamp frame, centered between the two edges of the front pocket. Measure to ensure that your monogram will be centered. To save you time on measuring, use our centering jigs Confirm Center. Trace sewing area to ensure monogram fits inside the frame. Now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. Our custom centering jigs can be purchased individually as well as a set of 4. These jigs are helpful tools to help you when using Hoop Tech clamps frames on the variety of our products. We only use MagnaGlide bobbins here at WB. Their patented magnetic core creates a consistent delivery throughout the entire bobbin. No more interruptions for tension adjustments as your bobbin gets smaller. When your sew is complete, remove the item from your frame. There you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.